That squeaking noise doesn't sound like it did last time when we tried it. Listen to this. It sounds like a laser. It sounds like a plane falling in an NES game or something. It did. Welcome back. Oh yeah, it sounds like a laser, doesn't it? Hear that noise? Man, I don't know. Sounds like a plane falling in an NES game. Like, listen to that. That sounds so weird. Still doing it on 87.5. I better check if my other radios are doing this. This is kind of weird.